Welcome gastronomes and culinary enthusiasts to another episode of Foods Around the Globe. Today we delve into the rich and vibrant realm of Turkish food culture. The fascinating panorama of Turkish cuisine is a sensory delight, steeped in history and seasoned with diverse influences. Its roots are deeply embedded in the grandeur of Ottoman cuisine, replete with a symphony of spices, grains, and meats. Yet, it's not just the imperial kitchens that have shaped this cuisine. The varied regional landscapes of Turkey, from the sun-kissed Mediterranean coast to the rugged Anatolian terrain, have each added their unique flavors. What makes Turkish food culture truly special is its emphasis on freshness. Markets brim with an array of fresh produce, and the cuisine is a testament to the country's bountiful harvest. But Turkish food is not just about ingredients or techniques. It's a communal affair, a celebration of togetherness. Meals are often shared among family and friends, fostering a sense of community. By understanding the roots of Turkish food culture, we can better appreciate the depth and complexity of its cuisine. The history of Turkish food culture is as rich and layered as its flavors. Let's journey back in time to uncover its origins. The Turkish cuisine that we know and love today is a result of a grand fusion, a melting pot of flavors and culinary traditions that have been borrowed, adapted, and perfected over the centuries. The origins of Turkish cuisine can be traced back to the Ottoman Empire, an expansive and powerful state that spanned 3 continents at its height. This empire was home to a multitude of cultures, each with its own unique culinary traditions. From the exotic spices of the Middle East, the hearty dishes of Central Asia, to the elegant pastries of Eastern Europe, the Ottoman kitchen was a vibrant and eclectic mix of flavors and techniques. The Silk Road, a network of trade routes that connected the East and West, played a significant role in shaping Turkish cuisine. This ancient highway of commerce introduced an array of new spices and ingredients to the Ottoman Empire. Think of the fragrant saffron from Persia, the bold flavors of Indian curries, and the sweet allure of Chinese silk and tea. These influences brought about a culinary revolution as Ottoman chefs began incorporating these new ingredients into their dishes, creating a fusion of flavors that was distinctly Turkish. The expansion of the empire also had a profound impact on the diversity of Turkish cuisine. As the Ottomans conquered new territories, they absorbed the local culinary traditions, adding new dishes to their already diverse menu. The result was a cuisine that was both diverse and unified, a true reflection of the empire's multicultural nature. Indeed, the history of Turkish food culture is a testament to Turkey's rich historical and cultural tapestry. The flavors we savor today are not just delicious, but they tell a story, a tale of conquests and trade, of cultural exchange and culinary innovation. Each bite is a taste of history, a reminder of Turkey's vibrant past and its enduring influence on the world's culinary stage. From the ubiquitous kebab to the delectable baklava, Turkish cuisine boasts a variety of dishes that are sure to delight the palate. At the heart of Turkish cuisine, bread holds a place of honor. Whether it's a warm, fluffy loaf of ekmek, a pita like yufka, or the sesame-seeded simit, the equivalent of a Turkish bagel, bread is a staple that accompanies almost every meal. Its significance extends beyond mere sustenance, symbolizing hospitality, friendship, and the comfort of home. Now let's talk about kebabs. Turkish kebabs are not just skewered meat, they are a culinary art form. From the succulent Adana kebab, named after the city of Adana, to the tender, yogurt-drenched Iskandar kebab, or the ground meat delight of Urfa kebab. Each variant has a unique flavor profile, reflecting the rich diversity of the country's regions. On to the sweeter side of things. Turkish desserts are a testament to the nation's love for sugar and indulgence. Baklava, a flaky pastry layered with honey and nuts, is an iconic treat that has won hearts worldwide. But let's not forget the creamy and rich kazandibi, a caramelized milk pudding, or the aromatic helva, a sesame-based dessert, each offering a different level of sweetness and texture. And what would a meal be without a cup of Turkish tea to wash it all down? Tea, or K, is more than just a beverage in Turkey. It's a symbol of hospitality, a ritual, a conversation starter, and a daily pause to enjoy life's simple pleasures. It's no wonder that Turkey is one of the largest consumers of tea in the world. So, whether you're tucking into a juicy kebab, tearing off a piece of warm bread, indulging in a sweet treat, or sipping a hot cup of tea, you're not just tasting food, you're experiencing a piece of Turkish culture, history, and tradition. Whether you're a fan of savory dishes or have a sweet tooth, Turkish cuisine offers something for everyone. As we look to the future, Turkish cuisine continues to evolve while still honoring its rich traditions. A cuisine as dynamic as it is diverse, it's embracing the currents of change that mark the culinary world. A key trend is the growing interest in plant-based diets. More and more, Turkish chefs are crafting innovative vegan and vegetarian dishes, transforming traditional recipes with a green twist. Yet, the influence isn't only domestic. The world's cuisines are making their mark on Turkish tables. International flavors are being woven into the Turkish culinary tapestry, creating a global gastronomic fusion that's both exciting and delicious. Sustainability and organic farming are also taking center stage. Turkish farmers and restaurateurs are increasingly focusing on locally sourced, organic ingredients, underlining a commitment to both the environment and the quality of their dishes. As the world continues to change, so too does Turkish cuisine, adapting to new tastes while still staying true to its roots. As we wrap up our culinary journey, we hope you have enjoyed this deep dive into Turkish food culture. The vibrant colors, the tantalizing aromas, the rich flavors, and the deep-rooted traditions. Every aspect of Turkish cuisine is a testament to the country's rich history and diverse cultural influences. From the signature kebabs and baklavas to the lesser-known but equally delicious regional delicacies, Turkish food is a feast for all senses. We've also journeyed through time, exploring how the cuisine has evolved over the centuries while still retaining its core essence. The future of Turkish cuisine looks promising, with innovative chefs blending tradition with creativity and taking this culinary art form to new heights. This exploration of Turkish food culture is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to discover and taste. If you enjoyed this gastronomic journey, do like, share, and subscribe to Foods Around the Globe. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy eating!